Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to turn on dark mode on the Messenger app on PC or Mac. So this is a pretty simple process, and in order to do it we need to download the Messenger app either on PC or Mac. So I have it open here as you can see, and now it's in the standard mode, which comes in this kind of light appearance theme. And let's say that we want to change into the dark mode. In order to do that, we need to click on our profile icon in the bottom left corner and click on preferences. Here we see this appearance section. We can click on it, and here under appearance there is a theme with a drop down menu, and if we click on it we can choose between or among several themes. So light, gray, dark, high contrast, or high contrast light. Let's say for instance gray, as you can see it changes. Let's say dark, it put it completely back, high contrast dark, and high contrast light. So for this I'm gonna choose light, and then I'm just gonna click on the X to close this window, and as you can see it changed the appearance theme. So let me know guys if you found this tutorial useful, and if so please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.